Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a Tuya J5 smart doorbell to your existing home automation system. Now I have added the Tuya J5 to my Tuya account. Here you can see I have the camera, many smart blocks, and the PR motion sensor, and the door window sensor, and the ticketing gateway. So basically, go to Smart, and here I choose Plus. Here I select when alerted. Tuya J5, I choose motion detected, and then motion detected. Next, I run the device. Here I choose open plug, hit switch on. If motion detection occurs, then turn on the smart plug gate. So this is the rule, and I save it. Next, I go to the camera, and motion alarm settings. I need to enable motion detection for the smart doorbell. Here I'm going to test. Actually, it turns on already. This turns on light. There we can see. I'm doing it again. Turns on block. You can hear the click sound. And now on the here you can add another condition. For example, when the PR motion sensor is above the check with the PR. So here we can, in order to reduce false alarm, false motion detection, you can here to choose when all conditions are met. So it only turns on light when both this PR motion sensor and the video doorbell detects the motion. Then I click save.我手上啊，then I'm gonna